Okay, hello everyone. Today is July 25th. Going to share the link so that we can start trading. Okay. Okay, perfect. So here is the link shared, and today the market is open. Looks like the recovery day. Some stocks are recovering, and some stocks are still flushing. Wow, Palantra is at $25 now. Continuing, the semi is continuing its flush. Qualcomm is going down hard. It's already down 2% right at open. QQQ going down. Okay, let's see. What is popular today? Nvidia. Nvidia is also down close to 2%. Tesla, 2 times share. TSLL. TSLL. Okay. Wow, Plantra is already down close to 4%. Wow, this is crazy. There's a really big flush everywhere, except for Tesla. Tesla is actually going back up. That's weird. Probably a little bit of recovery because Tesla went down so much yesterday. Shopify is down from 87 to 81. There was a, there is a support at 77. But this is actually a support zone. Like anywhere here is a support zone. So it'll not be weird if they find any support to bounce back up. SOXL is down to close to $40. Wow. That's right at the support. I think there might be some sort of rebound at this point. I could expect some sort of rebound at this point. I said there will be a rebound coming right here. And then there's a rebound. That's ridiculous. Hmm. There's not real buying activity happening. I'm still watching. I'm still watching. Because there was no real rebound happening. Okay, most of the tech stocks are rebounding, but you don't know whether this is a just a temporary rebound or people actually buying, right? Okay, it's continuing. Okay, so at this here, 122 point something or 123, entered a Tesla put for next week. Not that I don't like Tesla, it's just that um, their earning and everything else just don't make sense to me. So I think if it crashes, it will crash harder than all the other tech stocks because all the other tech stocks were going down when this was going up 2%. I don't know, it's just the way that I think. So there's something called TSLL instead of Tesla. It's like SOXL. It's a leveraged vehicle. mm, It's a leveraged ETF that kind of tracks the two times movement of Tesla. So if it goes up twice as fast. Goes down twice as fast. Well, look at Nvidia now. Hmm. QQQ really wants to go down even further. They want to extend the tech sell-off. So what I'll do is every time there's a slight recovery, so every time there's a pop, I'm going to buy put. It doesn't even align QQQ to have a pop. Hmm. Next week is August 2nd. So, for Nvidia, QQQ was down, and now it was at the same low, so low of the day. But for Nvidia, the low of the day is actually higher when QQQ bounced. So I believe um, there are more people buying Nvidia right now than the people that are actually buying tech stocks. So there are more people buying Nvidia. Same thing with Tesla right now. Um, there are more people buying Tesla than people selling Tesla. QQQ is trying very hard to stay afloat. So right now, Nvidia call is currently sitting at $4 premium, $4.50 divided by 112. About 4% premium. Very expensive. Because of the recent volatility, the option prices have gone up. 2.22 divided by 461. 0.4%, 0.5%, 0.5%. 0.5% premium price it. Price for QQQ. That's also very big. Netflix flushing down. 632. 31. Okay, that sucks because I have a lot of Netflix calls. Trying very hard. There you go. QQQ. Bridge down. Very hard. Okay, the whole market turning. Wow. Look at it. Look at this. Look at Netflix. That's a $6 move. At open, it was like 640 something, down close to $10. Nvidia daily support is gone. I think everybody is hopping on puts. Wow. Oh, it's a waterfall. It's a waterfall. Tomorrow, today is Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow is the option expiry. I believe there will be a lot of recovery activities happening tomorrow, mainly because Nasdaq had been going down for a very long time, like almost a week. No, actually, it started from when was it? July 10th. July 10th. So about 2 weeks. So the correction had been going on for about 2 weeks. Um, yeah, there were a couple of rebounds, but QQQ is coming to a support at, so it's entering the support zone right now. It entered, so this QQQ has entered the support zone. So it doesn't look weird if QQQ pops anytime around here. But because of all this daily sentiment, I don't think there will be any recovery today. The market has a very negative sentiment today. Yeah, some stocks are holding better than the other, but there was a recovery here. Tesla recovered with QQQ. So Tesla is a little strong today, but semis not really. Okay, Nvidia falling. Actually, Nvidia is falling harder than QQQ now. All the people that buy here, they're dumping. I think some people are trying to catch the falling knife, but I'm not buying calls in this kind of sentiment. Well, I bought calls before, like 2 days ago, and they're burning hard, but I'm not averaging down yet. Like this. There's like not even a proper support. It's just like keep burning down. QQQ has entered a support. It's entered its support zone. Anywhere between 450 to 460 is a support zone. I think there will be a rebound tomorrow. I think today it will just hang around here. Nvidia dipping down to 107. QQQ is not giving me any pop to short. They're not giving me any pop. Same thing with the semis. Wow. $15 drop. And he wants to go for more. Look at this QQQ. He wants to go for more. Okay, so there is the Tesla drop that I was waiting for. So so most of the tech stocks have entered the support zone. Yeah, the support zone. There will be some sort of rebound happening anytime now, or maybe it will just hang there. I'm suspecting that some sort of rebound or it will hang here. Okay, things are continuing to drop. Okay, so I got rid of my some of my Tesla puts. Okay. Tesla 6. I bought 3.12. I sold for 3.3. This CLL because I have a bigger position up short. So right about here, that hang or a rebound might be happening. There will be another confirmation happening. Yes, there was a rebound, but there will be another confirmation happening to push it down to make sure the bottom is bottom. But as you can see, the rebound is very strong. The rebound is very strong. Okay, so I'm going to continue doing what I'm doing. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. One is missing. One of the Netflix is gone. So Netflix, I consolidated everything. So I have those. Yeah, whenever the rebound happens, it's gonna be very sharp. It's gonna be very sharp. In here, I can tell for Tesla, um, either retail or institution is buying, but for Netflix, there's not really anyone buying. It's only outflow today, which is causing um, when the recovery happens. I see Nvidia, Palantra, Tesla, and Qualcomm. When they recover fast, like sharp, just like QQQ, right? But for Netflix, it's not happening. There's no buying activity. Yep, yep, right at the support. Okay, so for Tesla put, I got out. I should have gotten out from here, but I got out here. Sucks, but it's rebounding. Sucks. I could have made a lot of money here. I was up almost 1,000, but too bad. We don't know whether this is a rebound, like rebound, or rebound down, then push down and rebound back up. Because I see Nvidia recovering from 106 to 109 in a blink, and the same goes to like Palantra, Qualcomm. They went up and they're not coming down. They went up, not coming down. Went up, not coming down. Double bottom in Netflix. Okay, so this is good, but let me look at Nike. I haven't looked at Nike for a long time. So Nike went down to 70, 71 and now is 72. Hmm. So Nike, after it fell down, trying to find the bottom. Yeah, it's trying to find the bottom. Yep, Nvidia is doing a $4 recovery move. Because Nasdaq triggered the support around here. It's rounding back up, but the rebound is very strong. The rebound is very, very strong. I'm trying to find 3-time Nvidia ETF, but it doesn't show. Yeah, it doesn't show. Hmm. They have 1.5. So these kind of leveraged ETFs are good for short term. They're never good for long term because if I compare, so let's say Nvidia with this, if I look at let's say 5 years, Nvidia was like $5 before, right? So it started at 25. Right now, it only went up to be like maybe three times. Three times? Yeah, three times. when Nvidia actually went up to be 20 times. Because there are a lot of fees associated to this, a lot of fees that you have to pay for the people to manage it. That's why these kind of like leveraged ETF or whatever, they're really bad for you, really bad for you. Okay, you only want to enter this for short term, like 1 or 2 day drop. Tesla pushing back up. Good thing that I exited. All of a sudden, you see, all of a sudden, there are buyers. All of a sudden, just because it hit um, the support. This is a long-term support for QQQ. Just because it hit support, now it's going long. I don't know how long this narrative will go on, but hmm, it's certainly not a bad thing. At least we know that the stocks will rebound, right? Tesla went from 217 to 224. This is a recovery from yesterday, the huge drop. Now, I don't know when this QQQ will come down to test it again, but if it bounces, if it touches the resistance one more time, I'm going to buy. I'm going to buy certain stocks, like for example, the ones that have been recovering pretty well, like Nvidia, Tesla, Qualcomm, Netflix also. Almost $10. It's a $10 recovery, but then $10 down, $10 up. Poof. Shopify also touched the resistance. Then there was a sharp correction. And very volatile. So the range that QQQ is giving is 455 to 460. That's the range that QQQ gave. This is interesting. It looks like people were waiting for this drop, and look at this inflow. Okay, so enter QQQ call here. So this is where now the bulls and bears are fighting. They wanna retest the low. So the bears want to retest the low, and the bulls want to continue its run. I mean, because the earnings were solid, right? I mean, the stock prices now, I know they've been flushing down, but some of the movements were not acceptable. Like, for example, Google, their earning was amazing. Their earning was amazing. Just that I don't know why it's selling off. Maybe people think it was overpriced. Maybe. Money is going into Nvidia. Google, Nvidia, money flowing in. Look at that. Look at that. I'm guessing people, it's like everybody else, right? When there's a growth, when the companies are reporting good earning, yes, some people might think, oh, hey, it's too expensive because the stock ran up. But if they have solid earnings, there are people buying them. That's why whenever the correction happens, you want to look for the companies that already released their earnings and their earnings were great. Okay, there's a little bit of letdown now. Maybe slight profit taking. Somebody's really buying Nvidia. Okay, I entered Nvidia call. Dow is positive. That means probably Dow also hit the resistance. S&P 500 recovered most of it. It's only Nasdaq now, but pretty sure it's on the path to recovery. All the people that were in the sideline are jumping in. I think fear of missing out might be happening. But there should be another push down. There should be another push down. Maybe here. 463. Doesn't look like any short covering has happened. Short covering should be happening very soon. Very soon. That's a $7 move. Wow. Nvidia is almost green. Okay, so I entered Google as well. Other than QQQ, Google and Nvidia are all expiring next month, next week. Okay, I exited QQQ. Google, Nvidia. So Nvidia, I have 5. QQQ, I had 5. Google, I had 5. Google 4.3. Nvidia, I have 4.69. QQQ, I have 1.93. 2.4. Okay, so that's that. The reason why I exited QQQ was because I'm holding QQQ calls that is expiring today, but I think the recovery has happened, like it's been triggered. Um, I was thinking maybe the recovery will happen tomorrow, but it happened earlier because QQQ dropped down faster than expected. When it hit the resistance, it started to bounce back up. Um, I don't know if QQQ wants to come down and retry here, but I think the chances of that happening might be very slim because it tried multiple times. It tried once here, now once here, but it's not happening. So the back testing might not be happening anytime soon. Possibly it could happen after the run tomorrow, but so far it's not happening. So the reason why I'm in Google and Nvidia is that their earnings were fantastic. So Google, Nvidia, and Netflix, their earnings were just fantastic. So I'm thinking when they recover, they'll recover the most. That's my bet. Now Nvidia is green. Okay. I have to be at somewhere. I did all my positions. I didn't make too much money today, but I do have positions that can make me a lot of money here, these two. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Look at this recovery. Oh my gosh. And look at Tesla at the same time. A lot of money is flowing back to Nvidia. And Google. And look at this. Wow. Okay, anyways, my positions my positions are good. Looks like QQQ is on the path of recovery. Um, Google looks good. Nvidia looks perfect. I'm going to hold on to, like, my expiry is next week. I'm going to hold on to them and see what happens tomorrow. I think tomorrow might be another, like, a huge recovery day. Um, but we'll see. Okay, well, thanks for listening in, and I will